Good morning, guys. Jatanan Punkaham. Today, I want to share few information regarding the use of ambulance. Takutay bukusong, jeng ang tini normi thani kokasana naiman hike ambulance no tiye chini kisa information adana mosuk mani. Pungai sisri they horobo kabang man phun fayo chini lukorok well wishers among friends guardians kabang ma am chini no phun fayo kathitlang ni bagai ambulance kisa rohorti khomulung Kherengbar hospital ni TTAD sini okay lukorok khadani takukte bukuksong medical emergency to provide the quick response emergency support nani bagi se ambulance use khajago pamono disaster achai khanke kebu cherai asai nani dakti ambulance nangi tongkha ke accident angkha ke kaisa jaga ni kaite kaisa jaga life support dinani hinke emergency bono transport khainani nangkha ke the medical emergency ni je equipment ro dakti klangnani nangkha ke apro se ambulance use khaijago kintu kathoi transport khainani bagai already he or she is declared as dead declared khaijagno kono samoyo ambulance by tlangi nogotoni meya obo chini medical ni rules so mane obo haike tlangi meya yes kishu medical kishu ambulance tongo aboro gongkha hakchal transportation khaina bai kthoi bo manamia zat shogia zat special babe design khaijak tongo abhaini bagni mortuary van jata kthina transport khaina bagi hachal road langna thigake bono air conditioning system khai bono transport khaijago phiaba medical ni bagi emergency ni bagi disaster ni bagi quick response emergency ni bagi je jeng ambulance joto PSCO tongo joto CSCO tongo joto sub-division hospital tongo aro roga even 102 ambulance tongo aboro thia sani kebono dakti emergency medical service provide khainani hinke quick response jata nanga apo process medical ni bagi ambulance use khaija ke phiaba katheri kanani bagi ya okay, ang jotono request kayo my well wishers, my friends, my guardians who calling every month the people of Tripura across the state. They are calling me that my some of my relatives I had to carry from GB hospital to BM hospital to my native village to carry the dead body. Please provide me the hospital, the ambulance of the Kherengbar hospital. We cannot provide you the ambulances because to carry the dead body, a mortuary van is there. So, ang lukurok no koyo norok no sak nani bagay no kok masamani kathirika nani bagay kok no jeng ambulance bay kaimaya ambulance kathang borok emergency bono medical service na nang tong approach mi se jeng ambulance by khe kaimon abagai angkha khayo tai chini khajani takukte bukoksong o ambulance use na ti tamni bagi katheri kanan bagi ambulance rohriya ambulance ko ma tongoi phano abo ni sanai rokni hasing ani o ko sarung ambulance for only emergency service ni bagi se jeng medical transport tai emergency care service ni bagi se kathang no thwitu yung tongmane no emergency yung tongnai no bono mothangna ni bagi se ambulance to bujibai khana ang kha khai joton hambai tai belai khana salka hamongthon joton khulumbai khe